It looks premium, but what's more important is the performance. When you unbox it, here's what you should see inside the dash cam itself. A rear camera if you chose the dual camera set, 2 long cables, 1 power supply, and a cable for the rear camera. I also chose the option with a memory card, which made the price a bit higher. There are many cheaper memory cards from other sellers, but based on my experience, they tend to get corrupted easily and don't last long. The total amount I paid was. The option with installation is also more expensive, so in this video I'll be doing a DIY install to show you how to set up the 70mai A200-1 HDR dash cam with front and rear cameras, with the wiring neatly hidden inside the car. The key features of this 70mai dash cam include 1080p Full HD at 60 fps, dual channel recording for front and rear cameras, night owl vision for clearer footage in low light, and app control so you can easily access and manage your recordings from your phone. This is the model I could afford to buy, but there are other better models available with higher resolution, like the A810 4K HDR, A800 SE 1 4K HDR, and many more from 70mai if your budget allows. Choosing those higher-end models would be a better option. Both the front and rear cameras come with pre-applied double-sided tape, so all you need to do is stick them in place. I already installed the SD card and formatted it directly on the dash cam. It's really easy, there are buttons to control it, and you can see all the settings right on the display. It also comes with a tool called a trim pry tool, crowbar tool, that you can use to gently lift the edges of the panels and route the wires through them. This helps keep the installation clean and prevents long wires from hanging or being visible.
Medyo mayari lang ako. Konti lang. Kaso paano?
Papa, paano siya anyan?
Dash cam.
Ano yun?
Camera. Habang nagano tayo. Tapat mo, tapat mo.
Ano ito, Papa?
Tapat mo, ayos mo eh. Yan.
Ito, Papa.
Dinadaan dito. Dito.
Ano yun?
It also comes with a USB car charger that can be connected to the cigarette lighter port on the dashboard, but I didn't use it since I already have a USB port installed in my car. As for the rear camera, you just stick it wherever you want on the vehicle. I might remove the sticker that blocks the view. The wiring will be tucked all the way to the dashboard so it won't hang loose, but you need to leave some slack in the wire to prevent it from being pulled when opening the rear door if you have a hatchback. If your car is a sedan, there's no problem.
Hindi ko lang po alam. Merong factory default na may dash cam. Pero karaniwan wala. Hindi pa sinasama. Pang ano, makakit. Yung dalaw yan, ang hirap na panoodin yan, be. Hirap na yung panoodin. Manood yung mga tao.
Sino? Ano sa akin? Papa. Pag-lapit mo gagawa ka magkailan yung ate. Laro. Dami mag-like sa amin. Ano gagawin ko?
Watch them girls sway to the subwoofers well. Pwede dito nga uli. Be. Oh. Punta ka dito, videohan mo ko uli. Baka na. Na. Pakita mo dito, be. Huwag yung ulo ko. Baka ulo ko inaano mo. Oh, haba pa.
The rear camera wire is long, so I think it will fit not just in a 7-seater, but even in a van.
Haba pa, oh. Ang haba.
Babat ang init.
Ayan mo lang. Tingnan. Ang haba kasi.
Babalik pa si mama.
Kailan siya babalik? Lapit na. Oh. Natin. Tapat mo dito, be. Dito. Dito pa tapat mo. Tapat mo sa kinakabit ko. Lala na. Uus na.
You can also secure the wires with cable ties to make the installation even neater.
Papa,
Oh.
saan yan?
No?
Ano to?
Camera yan.
Camera yan?
Sarado mo yung ano, be. Sarado mo yung pinto doon, be. Kabila.
Here's a sample video from the front camera during the day. Here's a sample video at night. Here's a sample video from the rear camera during daylight. The rear windshield is tinted, and I still need to adjust the camera's position.
Yan ba yun? Yan ba yung tumunog?
Lastly, here's a sample video from the camera at night. If you want this camera too and want to be sure you're getting a legit one, just tap the orange basket. This is a direct link to the official store where I actually bought it. You can also see the shop rating I left for them.